Hello everyone. So welcome to my first YouTube video. So today I'll show you how to install SSMS. So let's start. Like I already have it open, but if you want to reach here, you can just write download SSMS and you will get the very first link. Install SQL Server Management Studio. Hit that, and in the step 2 you can see the file like download SSMS here. Once you click on download SSMS 21, you will get the setup file vs SSMS. Once you hit on that, you will be prompted to this app will make changes to your device, so hit yes. And once you hit yes, you will get this option where click continue. And once this get downloaded and installed, wait for a while. Okay, so now we so here we can see it is installing SQL Server Management Studio from the top left corner, and we don't want to install any other components at the moment, this ones. So we will simply hit install on the top right bottom right corner here. So I hit install, so it will download the SQL Server Management Studio 21 first, and then start like together only, like it will start installation. So in like upcoming series I'll show you guys like uh, how to do how to write SQL queries, and I'll share problems with you so you can solve those problems by yourselves. So if you want to use my queries as it is and want to execute those queries as it is in your setup, please follow my guideline while I'm installing this SQL Server Management Studio. So we have everything set up like correctly. For instance, like we have the same database name and schema name in order to query. So if I'll provide you any queries, you can run as is without any errors. So here we can see it's already started downloading and as well as like installation together. So we will wait until it reaches 200% and then we'll start the setup. In this installation file, some of the files are uh, big compared to other ones, so some of the files will take some time, so please bear with me. Forty-seven, 48. Okay, so now it's almost done. We can see the two greens here. Okay, so installation is done. So let's start open. So we'll hit launch from here and it is opening. So let's minimize this too, guys. Okay, here, so for now we are skipping on to creating our account with Microsoft, and let's wait. Okay, cool. So it opens up this particular window in my other tab. Now it is asking me, like I already had it installed in the past, so it is asking me if I want to use the same settings, but I don't remember what I set it up, right? So I hit do not import, and you would like to try it out. Introduce new connection dialog or preview future. I don't want to try anything at the moment. Okay, so here they are asking us server name and how we set it up. So now what is SQL Server Management Studio? This is something, it will communicate with SQL Server, right? SQL Server is the database. So currently we don't have SQL Server database installed. So in the next video I'll show you like how to install SQL Server, so that like we can open that database in here and start writing the queries. So yeah, please keep in touch. I'll upload the next video soon. Thank you.